Hi everyone, it's Professor Lee again. This is Module 2 or Week 2 of the course. This is my recording, if you will. Please note that this week it's a continuation of social welfare policy and social justice, human rights, and environmental justice. Sorry. Um, Please note I'm sharing my screen because I want you to see that there is an interesting outline this week. There's a module outline here where it talks about the goals for learning conservative and then reviewing things like conservative, progressive, or liberal views. And that will tie into an assignment at the end of the module. The readings for this week is chapter 1 in your textbook, the Stern and Axon textbook. So hopefully you all have gotten that book by now, and you're reading chapter 1, which is social welfare past and present. And then there is a screencast or a typed lecture for you all to read and review, as well as a podcast to listen to where they talk about TANF reform. That's actually pretty interesting. And then we get into the assignments. It's Module 2, Discussion 2. So what do you believe your political perspective is? What's your perspective on welfare? Do you think you're conservative, liberal, or progressive? Why or why not? Once you've answered all these questions, guys, by day 3 of the second week, then by day 6, you should be ready to respond to one of your classmates' postings. And that would have you complete 2 of the 3 assignments for this week. So you have your discussion, then you have your response, and then you have this what is social welfare policy assignment. And this assignment is a survey that you're going to take online, and it's going to tell you. So now you've already done an assignment where you've kind of discussed what you believe you are. Now you're going to take a survey that's going to tell you what they think you are. And I've taken this survey and posted my results with my thoughts on my results as well. You guys and then the last assignment is your policy journal. So, and this is your first policy journal of the semester. You guys will be responsible to do several of these throughout the semester. There's a link right here to the New York Times. If you click on it, and you can see it's the social welfare section, the social policy section of the New York Times. And it will talk about all of our domestic policies, domestic social policies. And your assignment essentially, guys, is to pick one of those policies and select should select an article from this week's New York Times and answer the following questions below. So you have to select a relevant article, succinctly describe the article in 2 to 3 sentences, describe how the article relates to course content, such as either the book or some readings or the podcast or the TED Talks. Consider the article's implications on social welfare policy. And you have to post your journal on time by day 7 of this week. And again, this is for week 2. I am doing a couple of reviews ahead. I want to be a couple weeks ahead of you guys, just because I know you're essentially working at your own pace with a timeline of, assignments, due dates. But I know some students work ahead, so I'd like to be able to offer that opportunity by staying a little bit ahead of you all in my posting of my videos. If there are any questions about the assignments this week or the lecture this week, guys, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I can't wait to see your surveys on conservative, progressive, or liberal. Can't wait to see what everyone gets. So have a great week, and like I said last week, I look forward to hearing from everyone. I have my cell phone and my email posted if you need me. Please don't hesitate. Thank you so much.